Meghalaya UDP legislator and former Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui today sent a letter to the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan urging him to review the functioning of various autonomous bodies under the Ministry of Education, including NTA, UGC, NCERT, etc., amid the row over discrepancies in the conduct of the NEET examinations. Rymbui suggested that the education ministers of different states should be made members of the Central Advisory Board to deliberate the issues concerning education.
Your seat will be forfeit, but the poor student, because he don't know what is his future, whether he apply for NEET PG or UGC NET or NCET or UGC CSIR NET, he don't know whether he will get not. So he have no way out. He have to apply to pay the fees into other institutions. So the main thing is that as soon as possible, the Education Ministry in consultation, NTA in consultation with the Education Ministry should come with the calendar, as I said, for the cancelled UGC NET.
At least 50 people were admitted